This video will show you how to install and update RainbowOne. Download. First, use your web browser to go to our website, and then click on the download page. Choose the appropriate version and click Download. Once the download is complete, you can install it. Install. Open the installer file. You will see installation instructions. Follow the instructions to drag the installer file to the Applications folder. Double-click the Applications folder icon to open it. Then open the RainbowOne app inside the Applications folder. macOS will show a pop-up window because the app was not downloaded from the App Store. Please go to System Preferences and click on Security and Privacy. Click the lock icon at the bottom left to make changes. Click Open Anyway. Then click Open. RainbowOne will install automatically. The installation is complete. Update. There are two methods of updating: General Update and Critical Update. Critical Update is an important update that needs to be installed for access. General Update includes program revisions or new feature additions. The system will not mandate updates. General Update. When there's an update, you'll see a notification on the main screen and you can click to start the update. Critical Update. The update will be automatically applied when you open the application with an internet connection. Please do not disconnect the internet during the update process, as it may cause the application to crash.